Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to contact Urban Company customer care. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To contact Urban Company customer care, you have several options, and the first is by hovering over and opening up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in Urban Company support. Then once you hit search and the search result loads, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you or tap on any link that is shown to the Urban Company. Then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account, and there you'll find the option that says get help. Simply tap on that, and then what you can do is tell the customer agent about your problem and they will provide with the solutions. Or you can simply call them at +91 124 457 0250, and this number is available for general inquiries and support as well. You can also send email to them on general support at help@urbancompany.com or grievance redressal at grievanceofficer@urbancompany.com. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.